In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Segmetrics dashboard in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Segmetrics or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you get started seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Segmetrics. Once you've reached the Segmetrics website, you'll need to log in. Use your email and password associated with your Segmetrics account. It's important to ensure you remember your login credentials, since this is where everything begins. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar of your Segmetrics homepage. You'll see a section labeled Dashboards. Click on that, and then go ahead and click on the New Dashboard button. This will get you started with creating your new space for tracking essential business metrics. Here comes a crucial decision. You can either choose from a pre-existing template or decide to create a custom dashboard. For those who prefer a straightforward setup, using a template might be the way to go. Templates can save time and make integrating your data much easier. If you opt for a template dashboard, you'll be guided through several on-screen instructions. These will help you integrate your specific tags, ad accounts, or any other data sources you're using. It's a pretty straightforward process, so just follow along carefully. Now, let's move on to widgets. Double-click on any widget to tweak its configuration according to your preferences. You can select base reports and choose the key performance indicators, or KPIs, that are important to your business success. This customization will ensure that your dashboard reflects what matters most for your operations. Make sure to double-check that your ad platforms, customer relationship management tools, and other marketing instrumentations are properly connected. This is essential because Segmetrics needs these connections to pull accurate, real-time data into your dashboard. You definitely don't want your data analysis to be based on outdated or incorrect information. Lastly, it's time to review your dashboard. Go through each widget to ensure they're displaying the correct data. This is your chance to make any adjustments needed, whether it's tweaking the configuration or modifying the layout to suit your needs better. It's all about making this space work for you by providing the insights that drive your decisions. And that's it! You've set up your Segmetrics dashboard in just a few quick steps. By organizing your data through Segmetrics, you'll have a robust tool at your fingertips to better understand and optimize your business's performance. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore all the features Segmetrics has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.